Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a burst of joy and innocence. Our pre-primary section students are here to brighten the evening with their delightful welcome song. Let's welcome our little stars with big round of applause.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
Thank you to our little performers.
child is born not just a boy, not just a girl, but a tiny spark of hope, a new dream for the world. Every birth is a blessing, the promise of love, laughter, and endless possibility. Today, we celebrate the joy of life with music, dance, and smiles, welcoming every child with open hearts.
Our little Prince Krishna has arrived. Let's celebrate his birth.
He will be an engineer like me.
Or maybe a doctor. Let us welcome the little Prince Krishna, whose arrival brings joy and excitement to the family as they celebrate with a lively Lavani dance. Our daughter has arrived, a blessing for our home.
But I wish for a son.
A daughter is our Lakshmi. She brings light, strength, and wisdom. Every child is equal, and girl is never less. No girl is less than a boy.
Every child deserves love and equality.
Let us welcome our little ones with a celebration full of love and acceptance.
Do you like pink? Yes, but I also like red, blue, green, and yellow. We are of colors of the same rainbow. Different, special, and unique. Each with a voice, each with a spark. And when we come together, we light up the other. Let us enjoy the colorful rainbow dance for junior KG students. Every child is special. Every culture, language, and tradition is beautiful. Different color, different roots, but one big family, one world. This is our strength. Unity in diversity. Though different, we stand together. Every child has dreams, hopes, and a heart full of love. Dear parents, please love every child, son or daughter, the same. When we grow with love, equality, and respect, the world becomes a happier place. Together we grow, together we shine. Now we present our equality action dance. No matter if we are boys or girls, we are all the same. Thank you.
A girl can run, a girl can play. She can lead the game today. A girl can build, a girl can dream. Strong and brave, just like a stream. A boy can dance, a boy can sing. Kind and sweet in everything. A boy can care, a boy can share. Love and joy are everywhere. Girls and boys, we are the same. Different names, but equal flame. You can be all that you see. Just believe in you and me. Just happy in me. Just happy in me. Some like pink, some like blue. All the colors shine like you. Tall or small, fast or slow. You're amazing, go and show. Girls and boys, we are the same. Different names, but equal flame. You can be all that you see. Just believe in you and me. Just happy in me. Just happy in me. Girls and boys, hand in hand, together we're the best in the land. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Equality makes life so sweet. Girls and boys, we are the same. Different names, but equal flame. You can be all that you see. Just believe in you and me. Just happy in me. Just happy in me.
And that brings us to the end of Act 1. What an amazing journey of equality, acceptance, and togetherness we have witnessed.
Let's give the loudest and most thunderous round of applause to our little tots. Their talent, energy, and spirit have truly set the stage on fire.
May I now call upon Rahita from grade 6 with her energetic dance performance.
रूपबुलवी नटरंग नटरंग नटरंग.
रसिक होऊ दे रंग चढू दे रंग असा खेळाला साता जन्माची देवा पुण्याई लागू दे आज पणाला हात जोड आज आम्हाला रंग तुझा दे गलकारी नवा स्वर्गाला जाहले
From the cradle of love in Act 1, we now move on to Act 2 with grade 1A and B. Let's step into the sweet, tender world of early childhood, full of laughter, curiosity, and innocent dreams.
At this age, children don't want expensive gifts or gadgets. What they truly crave is far simpler: our time, our love, and someone to really listen to them. But in our busy world, those little voices saying, "Play with me" or "Listen to me" often go unheard.
Now, in Act 2, our grade 1 children present to you the value of quality time. The greatest gift we can give them isn't expensive things, but our attention, love, and moments together. Let's watch and see the magic they have in store for us.
Rohan and Meera are sitting bored on the sofa. Auntie is cleaning with a broom. TV plays Garba dance in the background and kids look interested to play Garba. वाओ, आज तुम्हारे गरबा रमू छे. हाँ, बट पापा को बोलो फोर्ट साइड रखे गरबा करे. उन्हें तो लगता है डाडिया भी वाईफाई से कनेक्ट होता है. बिल्कुल. और मम्मी गरबा के बीच में सेल्फी के लिए पोज बदलते रहेगी. आंटी, वी वांट टू प्ले गरबा विथ मम्मी पापा. रोहन एंड मीरा जाओ, मम्मी पापा को बुलाओ. उन्हें भी देखने दो गरबा करने में क्या मजा आता है.
शरणाई ढोल फर फर रे झोल ए वागे शरणाई ढोल फर रे झोल नव लख नव लाले रणिया कि तारी चणिया चोड़िए कि तारी चणिया चोड़िए कि तारी चणिया चोड़िए जो बनिया खेला के गा जो बनिया खेला के गा जुए लाज बदा छोड़ी ने जो बनिया खेला किदा जो बनिया खेला किदा. मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह
Parents.
जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम छे
Parents, let's have a big round of applause. Please cheer the children on.
अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा चोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात चोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे चोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे
मम्मी पापा हमेशा बिजी रहते हैं. They are not playing गरबा with us. आंटी, हम उनसे टाइम क्यों नहीं ले पाते? आंटी, हम भी उनका दिल जीतना चाहते हैं. अरे बेटा, पापा तो अपने लैपटॉप से शादी कर चुके हैं और मम्मी को तो मोबाइल का चिप लग गया है. Oh no, we want their attention, not just a Wi-Fi password. These days, parents are always busy with work or on their phones. Sometimes they forget to give us the best gift of all, their time. Let's watch what happened in this family.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Deadline. Report. Send tomorrow.
Papa loves his laptop more than anything. Even when Rohan and Meera try to call him, he is too busy to notice. Rohan and Meera try waving hands and calling Papa, Papa, but Papa doesn't notice. Papa, Papa. अरे गुजराती में बोलो. पापा, हमने तुम्हारे साथ रमऊ छे.
लेटर बेटा, बिजी हूँ अभी.
One more mail and I will come. And here comes Mummy, who is always connected to her phone but disconnected from children. मम्मी, एक और मेल. या हमारी लाइफ का ईमेल चेक करी हो क्या? मम्मी, हमें भी इनबॉक्स में डालोगी क्या? वेट, जस्ट 1 minute. The kids are sad and even auntie can see the emptiness in their heart. बेटा, आजकल के पेरेंट्स बस वर्क फ्रॉम होम. बच्चे घर पे है पर दिल दूर है. We don't want toys. We want मम्मी पापा's time. मम्मी पापा, थोड़ा टाइम दो. आपके बिना घर अधूरा लगता है. But suddenly, something magical happens. Papa and Mummy realize their mistake and put their phone and laptop aside. Papa and Mummy suddenly look at each other, smile, and put down their work and mobile. Energy rises. जो गाड़ा तारा, जो बिला तारा, मम्मी पापा ने मिलावा तारा.
आज से नो वर्क, बस फैमिली टाइम.
Let's play Antakshari or bake a cake. Yeah, just have a fun together. Yeah, ताली दो parents. बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है, कल नहीं आएगा. पेरेंट्स थोड़ा टाइम दो, लव दो, नहीं तो बच्चे सिर्फ मेट के साथ बड़े हो जाएंगे.
जो गाड़ा तारा, जो बिला तारा, रंगीला तारा, रंग वेद जुए तारी बात. जो गाड़ा तारा, ओए जो बिला तारा, ओए रंगीला तारा, रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे.
Love, care, commitment, respect. These are the family values I hold dear. Love, care, commitment, respect. For family values I hold dear. Love, I love you. You mean the world to me. You're my family. Caring for you, showing concern to my family. Love, care, commitment, respect. These are the family values I hold dear. Love, care, commitment, respect. For family values I hold dear. Next comes commitment, I'm here for you. You mean the world to me, you're my family. RESPECT, showing respect to my family. Love, care, commitment, respect. These are the family values I hold dear. Love, care, commitment, respect. For family values I hold dear. These are the values I hold dear. Listen to me, talk to me, and play with me. Thank you.
Parents of pre-primary children, junior KG and senior KG, can please collect your children from the CBSE quadrangle.
प्री प्राइमरी के पेरेंट्स से विनम्र निवेदन है कि कृपया सीबीएसई क्वाड्रेंगल से अपने बच्चों को ले जाएं. And here we come to the end of Act 2. What a beautiful reminder that the greatest gift we can give to our children isn't toys or gadgets, but our time, our love, and our attention.
Hello. Let's put our hands together and give a huge round of applause for grade A, B, A1, 1A and 1B, our shining stars, for showing us how special moments together truly are. Parents, let's keep in mind, spend qualitative time with your children because that's what they truly need.
Childhood is special, not because of toys, but because of the love, care, and friendship we share. Today, our class 2 stars will show us the magic of friendship through dance, drama, and fun. Let's begin the celebration.
Our grade 2 children bring to life the gift of friendship, sharing and caring. Childhood is special not just for toys, but for love, care and friendship.
Today, our budding artist will show us the magic through dance, drama and fun. Please welcome their colorful Punjabi folk dance performance. Get ready to clap along.
ਉਹ ਖੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡੰਗ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਖੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡੰਗ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਗੋਲੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਮਾਰੀ ਅਰਜਨ ਵੈਲੀ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਅਰਜਨ ਵੈਲੀ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਰ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਬਨਾਸੀ ਮਾਰੀ ਅਰਜਨ ਵੈਲੀ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਰ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਬਨਾਸੀ ਮਾਰੀ
पेरेंट्स से निवेदन है कि वे कृपया ताली बजाकर बच्चों का प्रोत्साहन करते रहें।
ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਜਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ
Wow, that was truly energetic. Now let's enjoy a heartwarming skit. Friendship, sharing, caring and standing together. Presented by Class 2 children.
where sharing turns a simple lunch break into a moment of joy.
Why are you so sad, Anshika?
अरे मेरा लंच बॉक्स घर पे ही रह गया।
ओह नो, मतलब अभी तुम्हें 24 घंटे का फास्टिंग करना पड़ेगा।
अरे छोड़ो फास्टिंग वास्टिंग, हम है ना। तुम हमेशा हमारा मैथ्स होमवर्क कॉपी करती हो, अब लंच बॉक्स भी कॉपी कर लो।
Yes, sharing is caring.
लेट्स शेयर। Thank you, friends. When we share, we show care. That's true friendship. One friend fell on the playground. Let's see how friends help.
Ring a roses, pocket full of posies. A tissue, we all fall down.
आउच, मुझे लगता है मुझे एम्बुलेंस बुलानी पड़ेगी। अरे ड्रामा मत करो, छोटी सी स्क्रैच है। चल उठ जा हीरो।
अगर तुम्हें दर्द हो रहा है तो एक आइसक्रीम ला देता हूँ। सॉरी, मेरा मतलब आइस पैक।
Don't worry, we are here. Friends stand together always. Yay! Helping friends makes everyone happy. That's true friendship. Sometimes even a small thing like a pencil can show us the big power of friendship. Let's see how.
Children, take your pencil out.
अरे where is my pencil? मुझे तो कहीं भी नहीं मिल रही। पेंसिल छोटी है पर लगता है तुमने तो पूरा बॉक्स ही खो दिया है। अब मैं कैसे लिखूंगी? टीचर विल स्कूल्ड मी। डोंट वरी, तुम मेरा पेंसिल यूज कर लो। टेक दिस पेंसिल।
और मैं तुम्हें होमवर्क लिखने में हेल्प करूँगा।
सच? वाह, एक पेंसिल गई बट आई फाउंड 3 फ्रेंड्स। पेंसिल गई, टेंशन गई। फ्रेंड्स के साथ लाइफ बड़ी मस्त है भाई। Friendship is the best gift.
Sharing is caring.
Standing together makes us strong. और लंच बॉक्स भूल जाओ तो फ्रेंड्स का टिफिन स्ट्रॉन्ग। We are friends forever. Together we can do anything. Thank you. That's the magic of friendship. When one friend is in need, others share and care. That is why we say sharing makes us happy and caring makes us kind and loving.
दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त, नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में। अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार।
लंच बॉक्स हो या होमवर्क का टेंशन, दोस्ती है बेस्ट, दैट्स अवर इन्वेंशन। हंसी मजाक के साथ फ्रेंड्स का कनेक्शन। थैंक यू।
Bravo to our little stars for spreading the joy of friendship with such energy and spirit. A truly heartwarming performance.
From laughter with friends, we move to a different lesson of life. Sometimes parents walk on separate paths, but for a child, love from both is the light they need the most.
Our little heroes from grade 3 will now remind us that unity and love beyond distance keeps a child safe and happy.
Families are built on love, care, and togetherness. But sometimes parents may live apart. Even then, one thing never changes: the love for their child. Let us see how love travels beyond distance. You said you will fix the tap today, but it's been leaking since morning.
Oh, I forgot. I do it after I finish reading the news.
You always say that after reading the news or after a tea, but never do it.
That's not true. I fixed the light last week.
Yes, after I reminded you 10 times.
We keep fighting over a small thing. Maybe staying apart will bring the peace.
But what about our children? They need us both.
I will always love them, even if we don't live together.
Why can't we live together like before? I love both my parents. I miss playing with Papa and I need Mama's hugs. We just want their love, not their fight.
वो बच्चे दुनिया में खुश नसीब होते हैं जो मम्मी डैडी के करीब होते हैं।
Parents live in different places. Their love is always with their children. So, let's see how love brings this family together. My dear, even if we live apart, my love will always be with you, even a single day.
No distance can ever break our bond. You are and you will be our greatest joy.
Oh Papa, oh Mama, so we will always get love from both of you?
Yes, always. Love has no distance.
रिंद पोषमाल गिंदने द्राय लोलो
सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर घोलो रिंग पोषमाल गिनने गाय रोलो
हे आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो
रिंग पोषमाल गिनने गाय रोलो
आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यार
पेरेंट्स प्लीज तालियां बजाकर बच्चों का प्रोत्साहन बढ़ाते रहें.